Hi, so this is day two of forex trading. This right here on GBP USD. This was a trade I took yesterday. Uh, this one over here, I didn't actually take it on the account. I was just testing something. I'll explain it later. But for now, let's actually go to the pair which I traded today. The pair was Euro USD. Yeah. So this one also I did not take the trade. I'll talk about it later. This one over here, the short trade. That's what I took on the account. The demo account, mind you, $3,000 demo account. So if you can, reason I took this trade, let's go on the 4-hour time frame. You can see price have created a support zone, touching it multiple times and rejecting of it. This one wasn't really close enough, but still came up, touched it to get, yeah. Go to our 1 hour. Let's see if there's anything I noticed. Yeah, no. This line is recently I put the line, so this line wasn't there. What I noticed in the 1 hour was still the same. It's just confirmation. It was confirmation of the 4 hour move. Price came down, retraced a little bit, but not really come to the line. I don't think this was Monday the 2nd. So I would have taken the trade on the 2nd if I was available. I don't think I was available. The 2nd is Monday, right? Yeah, and I did not take any trade on Monday. Reason being, I was in the hospital all through, seeing my doctor. So that's why I started Tuesday, yesterday. Okay, so price came down from here, I guess. Came down, and then let me go to 15 minutes. Come. Okay. Well, as you can see it, price came up, touched our resistance level, and then started to reject downward. Oh, why do I keep moving this? Yeah. So price came up, touched the level, and started going down. That's when I took the trade. And it's not just like enter just because of price of touched and start moving. I waited. Let me go even lower. In fact, so I went down to. If you go down to 5 minutes, right? So okay, this is where the price had touched. Price touched, but before it touched, you can see it's creating higher highs and lower low. Higher high, higher low. Sorry, you can see it's creating higher high and higher low. But it came here and barely, I guess, barely broke structure. This point right here. It came into this zone. So I then wait for a retracement. Price came up here. Wait for a retracement into. It's not very body gap, I guess. Waited for a retracement. No, there was no fair value gap. This was because this trade was also rushed. Honestly, I can't believe it was not fair value gap. So I entered the trade about 1.828. Stop loss is about 5 pips. It looks like. Stop loss was 5 pips, and my target was 20 pips. Yeah, 20 pips. This is a 4RR. But the thing was, in my MetaTrader 5, right? As I had placed the trade for a stop loss over here and then take profit over here, I then went to my MetaTrader 5 and noticed that price from here actually made a kind of support level. That's after I've already placed the trade, right? I noticed this support level. It touched here, went up, touched, went up, came a little bit down, went up again, then came down. So as I placed the trade, few minutes, price dropped and started to react to the level again. So if I had noticed that, okay, this level was forming, I would have entered 2 trades actually. Would have entered 2 trades, with one having take profit here, and the other one having a trailing stop loss to my other take profit down here. And the reason my take profit is over here, the reason that made me put my take profit over here is because of this psychological zone. The psychological zone, you can see here. Remember, I don't always use to take profit exactly to the level. Even this one, it's even way more further than the trade of yesterday. And 4RR is actually very nice, so I don't want to really risk be greedy and one more. And then if I say let me take it to 5, that's it. It will have, okay, at least luckily the trade would have been successful, but it took longer and went back so far. If I was going to this trade with a trailing stop loss, I would have been stopped out somewhere up here. So it wasn't good taking the take profit all the way down here. I'm okay with the profit I got. The problem, although I still do have one problem, and that's this is the trade today. The problem is my risk percent supposed to be 0.5% of the account, which is $15, right? So if I'm risking $15 on a 2 risk to reward, I'm expecting $30. On a 4 risk to reward, I'm expecting like 60, right? Yeah. But this one, I remember I told you I closed the trade early for roughly 2 risk to reward. But as you can see, this is not $30. This is 8.8. So it just tells me that I'm still not conversant with how to place my what's the name again? My lot size. I still don't know how to place my lot size. That's something I hope to fix by tomorrow. The first trade I took, what's the name? Lot size was too much. The second trade, lot size is too little. Hopefully the third trade, lot size will be just right. But yeah, that's the trade for today. Only this one. I didn't really check another pair to see. You can see I have multiple pairs here, but I wasn't really feeling myself. So I just managed to spot this one and then enter. Honestly though, I'm somewhat disappointed in myself that I did not see an entry here. I can't really tell why I entered this trade. Is it really just because it's tapped? It shouldn't be like that, honestly. Okay. Oh, sorry. Remember, I'm not too strong, but I believe price came up, reject a wick here, and then created this heavy bullish candle. Alright. Honestly speaking, I believe I should have entered here with this bullish move. This is my confirmation. Yeah. Or did I go on the 30 minutes time frame? Let me see. No, I didn't. I don't normally use 30 minutes, right? So this bullish move, that's roughly enough as a confirmation to enter. So I don't know what I saw here, or maybe it's because I had forgotten about it and let it trade past about. That's story for another day anyways. This one I told you I did not take the trade. I'm not really sure what I was seeing here that made me take the trade. Is it because price? This one it's a new thing, so I wouldn't know that there was a support level here. In fact, so price came here from the resistance up. Price came. Okay, maybe I believe that it used this psychological level as a support. Made a higher high from there, broke structure, made a higher high, came down to like came down. I believe I waited for it to come down for me to get a better entry, and then I took it. But as you can see, it wasn't successful. It wasn't a successful trade. That's the this is just like I got to see to learn, I guess. That's why I not really take it, because I was not certain. I did not follow any of my rules, any of my confluences, my trading strategy. It's nothing here. That's why I not do. I just draw the line and see how it will go. But maybe from here it will start going up to your listen, you get. That's why I drew it here. So that's the trade, I guess. Let me take through this. this one off before it starts confusing me. Price already broken through. Honestly, looking at it now from here, price have broken through our support, came back and tested it 2 times, draw down a lot, all the close to our psychological level, came back and tested it. If I was looking at this chart, I may have entered here. Although the engulfing my signal to enter, it's really long, so I'm not sure. Let me go to 5 minutes time frame and see. Okay, price came up here. Honestly, you can see our support here, and also this resistance is also here. So there are 2 strong things pushing it down. 2 strong things pushing it down. Let's see. Came up, tested here. It looks like this one is not really that strong because it came up and actually tested here, making somewhat of a double top. Price then broke structure. Is this really breaking out structure? It should be here, I guess. So price broke structure with this, came up to test it again, and I believe from here it will go down to here. Let's see. Whenever the trade close. Oh, let me even see if I can enter the trade. Our stop loss will have to be at the resistance, of course. Put it a little bit low. This is a 1.6 to 1. Not really a trade I would take. The risk to reward is way too small. Okay. That's for that. Going back to GBP USD, I guess. This massive one over here. Remember I said I also didn't take this one. It was just a test. I was testing it out. So this is our support level. This is our old resistance apparently. Our old resistance. So price broke through the old resistance, strong move upward, came down to the support, came up, came down. I believe it's now an uptrend, right? So after the break of structure, I believe break of structure, yes, I entered the trade, but it looks like momentum have already finished with all this move. Momentum had already finished, it looks like, so it did not go. Oh wait, okay, yes, also this, because I entered here after price have broken our psychological level also. I don't know if you noticed it. I'm just saying it. Price had broke strongly, came down, wanted to use it as support and go up. Actually used it. Came here, used this other blue line. This blue line is basically the highest point of our 2 4-hour candle. I know it's confusing. Let me just show what I mean. So on an early Monday morning, when the market just opened, my strategy entails that I go to the first 2 opening candles. The first 2, I believe it was this one and this one, out of 2 that opened the market for the week. My strategy entails that I mark the highest point of those 2 candles. Then I wait to see how price moves in it. If price closes, if price body closes above here, that means the rest of the week we are to be expecting bullish price will be going up. But if price closed below, if price had closed below first, we'll expect more of short trades. But this is the first time I'm actually using it, so yeah, I'm not really. As you can see, price body first closed up here, but took it massive dump. I'm betting maybe previous days low. That's not really part of my strategy, so I don't have it on screen, so I don't know. So came up, closed here, came all the way down. So I believed it's just that I'm even seeing this close here. I'd seen the bearish close, so I believe that price was bullish. You understand? Price was bullish. As it came up here, I expected price to touch around here and then drop back down. Something similar to what it's doing now, although it came out a lot. That is also something that could happen during with this strategy. Otherwise, why really is it coming back? I'm going to test back here and go up for that. We'll find out. But what does this really mean with? Why am I really telling you all this? But if we come back here, I didn't take the trades with it touched here multiple times. 1, 2, 3. I still didn't take trade. That's because we're close to our psychological level, so price could just tap here. It wouldn't be much pips. If I okay, but really saying with this one specifically, but with this one, there will have been enough space to catch many pips for the risk to reward to be great. Let's see. Not really, because engulfing here, so my entry will be around here. Stop loss, previous low. Stop loss will be our previous low, and my take profit would not be up to the psychological level. This is 1.2. Now this is not a trade I will take, so I wouldn't have taken it here. Wouldn't have taken it also here because we're too close to the psychological level at this point. That's why I waited for price to burst out, tested here, came up. I believe it was gonna go up from there, you understand, but rejected. Anyhow, I didn't take the trade, so it was just like a testing to see if okay, will it respect it, will it happen the way I say. If so, I'll keep on looking at other sightings, and then if it keeps like happening, so then I'll not actually be able to place it as a confluence or as a trading strategy, you understand? Some stuff like that. Oh, I'm getting tired. Well, I guess this is it. This is it for today's trade. Nothing really. I honestly think I talk a lot. I need to find a way to shorten the things I say. Just one trade I take, and I'm talking all this talk. See you in the next video if I take any trade tomorrow. Bye. Oh yeah, before I go, right? Although I don't need to like master my lot sizing, but I know some people will be like, they took their first trade they took. Their first trade they took was golden. It hit TP. The second trade they took was also golden. It hit TP. Then they'll be like, oh my god, I'm so good with trading now. Let me go and open a real account and put all my life savings in it, and then take one massive lot size to trade it, and then before, like maybe that third one will just be like boom. I was honestly feeling that way some time ago when I was using just long and short. But honestly, no, like I think it's just normal common sense. It's common sense to not do such a thing. I've watched so many YouTube videos where they'll say stuff like that. Like, you think I'm a big blah 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 whatever. So sometimes those things discourage me. Like, is it like, am I dumb? Am I missing something? That will I really blow my account? Or are those people talking? Are they just like real dumbasses? You get? I don't know. We'll see. What did I say? Price is gonna come all the way down here. Did I say that or no? I suppose. Did I? Okay, no. I draw the CP to here. Honestly, I believe it will come down to this level. It should. It will move here a little bit, then come down. From here, it will go back up, reach here, then it will break to either side. That's my prediction. We'll see how it goes. This video is way too long for my liking. I don't know if I can sit down and watch. What did I see through? I was just talking bunch of gibberish. But yeah, price is breaking through. Of course, it's gonna come back up again, but those buyers at this level, they don't want the price to go. Ooh, that's a massive. Honestly, but sellers, okay, buyers are coming in. Because sellers may take it, decide to like have the power to take it all the way down here and just weak. It will weak the market. You get to weak this level, then go back up. If I spot the move, I may decide to trade from here all the way to the top. Although it's not really, I don't think it's advisable to trade at such, like when the two support and resistance are coming to a close, because market is gonna break in either way. And if it breaks from here, it will be my first loss. And I'm not ready for my first loss. I'm not ready for that. I don't want to see any loss. So I might play it safe or not, even if it's a demo. Just like, it's demo, it's not demo, whatever. If you're that's anger for another day. I don't want to go into this video, is already long. So yeah, let me better stop here. I've said a lot already. Oh, price off. Just wicked here. I believe it's gonna come down. Still come down. So yeah, Bye. This is my first trade. It was also it was profitable. I got 2x. I just need to learn better lot size, stuff like that. You get? Yeah, see you in the next one, or see me in the next one, I guess. I'm the only one watching these videos. Bye.